Today, I want to show you how I create a fully consistent character in OpenArt using only 4 images. This is not theory, this is exactly how I do it. I'll show you the real steps, the professional details that matter, and the mistake that breaks consistency if you don't know about them. But after consistency is not magic. It's preparation. If you do this part properly, everything later, images, animation, video becomes much easier. Step 1. Character thinking. Very important. Before generating anything, stop for a moment and ask yourself, who is this character? Are they friendly or serious? Calm or aggressive? Human, monster, fantasy, or sci-fi? How do they behave? How do they move? What kind of energy do they have? This matters because facial expressions and poses must match the personality. Consistency starts in your head before it starts in the tool. Step 2. Generating the base character. Now I generate my character using Nano Banana Pro inside of OpenArt. I tested many models for consistency and honestly, Nano Banana Pro gave me the best results. Others work, but none kept the identity as strong as this one. Step 3. The 4 crucial images. This part is critical. I generate 4 images of the same character. Not random images, very specific ones. 1 front view of the face, 1 side angle, 1 back view, 1 closer or 3/4 view. These angles are essential. They teach the model what the character looks like from all sides. Without this, consistency will break later. Step 4. Seed number. This is very pro detail. Now, something many people ignore, the seed number. I did before as well. If you want real consistency, you must respect the seed. I keep the same seed when generating my character images. The seed locks the identity. If you change it randomly, you're teaching the model a new person. Seed consistency equals character consistency. Step 5. Character description. Very professional part. Now we go to the character description section in OpenArt. This is not optional, this is where many people fail. Here, I clearly define eye color, hair color and texture, skin tone, body type, finger count, toe count. Yes, fingers and toes matter. A character can look consistent but suddenly lose a finger, gain an extra toe, or change eye color. This is why professional description is essential. Be clear, be precise, do not rush this. Step 6. Create character ID. After this, I create the character ID in OpenArt. This step is mandatory. Without a character ID, consistency will not hold. The character ID tells OpenArt this is the same character every time. Seeds plus character ID are the backbone of the consistency. Step 7. Expressions and pose variation. Now I expand the character. I generate different facial expressions, different emotions, different poses. But I stay intentional. I ask myself, what will this character do in my story? Walk, sit, bite, talk, explore. I prepare expression and poses that will later help with animation. The more effort you put here, the easier video generation becomes. Step 8. Think ahead for video. I always think ahead. I place my character where I want them to be. Center frame, left or right, full body or close up. This makes it much easier later to control start frames and end frames when animating. Preparations saves time. This might sound like a lot, but once you do it once, it becomes simple. This is not about speed, it's about control. Why this method works? Because you control the fit, control the identity, control the description, control the angles. And that's why the character stays consistent. This is exactly how I create my character. Not perfect, but professional and reliable. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.